Hi friends, welcome. We'll learn about NumPy or the numerical Python. We'll see where it can be used and what way it is different than the Python arrays and all, and where it will use and what advantage it gives to us. There are other ways also of handling arrays in the Python. So why you will use NumPy for this? Similarly, we'll also see where it cannot be used and it is better to use other libraries than using NumPy. We'll learn all about this. To start with, visit this NumPy homepage in the Plus2Net. So you will get all the descriptions in details and each code is explained here. You can study it about the installation and all. And here also you will get all the links here to different subsections here. So you can easily browse and study the materials, and you can even download the source code also. But where you will use it? To use the NumPy, we will be using Colab platform, and it is a Google's cloud platform where you can keep your codes in the Google Drive and use it. Just you need a Google account for that. So why we are using Colab is it is easy to share and already NumPy is available there. You need not have to install it. But if you don't want to use Colab, use your Visual Studio Code, anything in your desktop or anywhere, you can just simply install it and run it. It is very simple installation. We'll see that also. I am in my Visual Studio Code. So to install NumPy in the command prompt, I have to write just pip install NumPy. So the rest of the thing it will do, but already I have installed it, so no need for that. And now let me just this is a simple 2-line code for NumPy, and I am importing it the first line NumPy library as np, and that I am using it here, multiplying each element with 10. So let's just run it and see the output here. Here it is 10, 20, 30. The output is here. I am in my Colab platform. The same 2 lines of code here. I need not have to install NumPy here because it is already available in the Colab platform NumPy. It's a pre-installed library, nothing I have to do, and it also background it upgrades it also. So I need not have to worry about my installation, my version and all. I need not have to. So it's the same 2 line of code I have written here. You can just see this. This is the same 2 lines of code. Import NumPy as np, and then I am just multiplying each element by 10. So this is just running it first time. It will take bit time. Right side you can see it is connecting some resources. It will, because it's a cloud platform, so it will be available. Note that these files are already saved in my Google Drive. So there will be a platform on the Colab, so in a directory it will be stored. Here is the output, whatever is available. Note that just you need a Google account for that. So once you have a Google account, the platform is ready. Just search for Colab. You can just go to Google and Colab research or anything, or Colaboratory. It is the Google's Colaboratory. Then you search it. In the first you will get the in the your search it, you will get it, or directly you will reach here. We'll continue our learning by using our Colab platform, so you can easily share the files with your friends or your professor. You can easily, it is easy to learn also. You need not have to worry about your own local system. You just need a dedicated internet or internet connection, and you can work from anywhere. Just log into your Google account and start working. Now let's just see what are the advantages of learning NumPy. So it's array, which is not a big thing. Already we have Python list and pandas also. Here the key difference is it's a vectorized operation. It is fast. NumPy offers you, it's a numeric Python, so it's a similar type of data type only it will use, and it's a vector application or operation. Background of it is a C compiler which works, so it is very fast. Now if you are having few elements of array and all, the NumPy may not able to give you much advantage. For a bigger data set, or you are on the machine learning platform you are, so there you can feed the difference of NumPy. The speed will be more, and many of our machine learning libraries at the back end while handling the data use NumPy. So that is why NumPy gives a better or a improved or a better user experience compared in a particularly speed is concerned, and it's all the vectorized operation and easy coding also. Very simple 1 or 2 lines of code will do more operations. Say you want to multiply it by 10, you need not loop through all the rows and columns to adjust the elements. You can just, the entire element can be vectorized, and used by using NumPy we can get the result. Is it that we'll always use NumPy for this all the operations? No, it's not like that. Some situations where we have a different data types, say numeric, then labels, then columns are defined, all those cases Panda rules there. So Panda can handle different data types, so Panda is more useful. Another situation where we have to frequently read from a CSV file, Excel files, database files and all, or the output we will be storing in CSV, Excel and all to take it to a database. There pandas also helps us. But one more thing, from NumPy also you can easily transport the data to pandas and both can be integrated. That part also we'll see. So this is where multiple data types are used and storing in different format. There the pandas is the better solution for that. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good understanding of how to start with NumPy, and we will continue further with all other chapters of the NumPy of handling the arrays and all. So I hope you have a good learning on these topics, and if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.